Evacuate the building!
I heard more people backed up.
I'll find them.
Spider-Man! We can't move! We're pinned down!
I'll lift it. When you're free, get out fast. If you can walk, help the injured. Got it? Go, go, go!
Thank you! We did it! Let's go!
Okay, Willie. Coming your way.
Spider-Man, it's Yuri.
How we doing, Captain?
Could be better. Our choppers took a beating. We just had to ground our last one. If Fisk calls in a chopper, we have no one to stop it from landing.
And no one to chase him if he flies away.
Why do I get the feeling that's what he was planning all along?
Because he probably was. Damn. Yuri, get EMTs up here, fast!
We're trying.
Uh-oh. Incoming!
You should have stayed in bed.
That's enough out of you. More rockets? A little excessive, don't you think?
Keep him on the ground!
What? Is it not? National Rocket Day or something?
Hope you got insurance. The hell is this stuff made of?
Gotcha! Man, how'd the bomb squad guys get through this? Settle down. I've got enough for everybody.
Stay away from his gadget! I'll teach you some respect! You see that bastard! Don't let him hang you!
Okay, room is clear. Bomb squad must be somewhere ahead. Hope they're okay. You guys all right?
We were just about to call for backup.
I think I'm it.
Lead the way. We'll be right behind you. Heads up, boss.
So you guys were in bed with Fisk all along? Oh no, I'll never get that image out of my head!
Take him out!
So your plan didn't work. On to plan B, getting kicked in the face. Shoot him already! Hey Yuri, looks like some of your guys were on Fisk's payroll. Good news is, they were Willie's last line of defense. I'm right outside his office.
Take him down, now.
With pleasure. Writing your memoirs? Don't forget the hyphen between spider and man.
Get the chopper ready. I won't be long. I'm surprised you made it this far. But your foolishness ends now.
You do know I can still see you, right?
8 years of this insolence.
Oh, for me? You shouldn't have! Gotta wait for an opening.
What are you doing? How is this happening?
What's wrong, Willie? You seem angry.
I will destroy you!
Take your best shot! That gave me an opening.
Tiresome annoyance!
Hang in there. It'll be over soon.
You're out of your depth, boy!
Not this time.
You are everything that's wrong with this city!
I was gonna say the same to you.
You know what to do, men!
Surrounded! Everyone engage! Don't mess with the Kingpin and live! Oh, you finally decided to pack up and run?
You fools! You're trained to fight, so fight! You'll die as uselessly as you live!
Take your best shot!
Your head! Oh, you finally decided to pack up and run? This is for the boss! Punch him! I can't reach him! I'll shut you down first! He's too fast!
I don't want excuses!
Open wide! He's swinging, man! Right there! Quit swinging it!
What do I pay you for? No! I can handle myself!
Kingpin and live! Kick his ass! Friggin' coward, get back here!
So, should we kiss now? Yeah, maybe later. Finally off to Rikers, huh? You know, I think you've got more enemies in there than I do.
If you think this will be more than a minor inconvenience...
Whoop, gotta go. Hey, good luck, Willie. I have a feeling you're gonna need it.
Idiot! I'm the one who kept order in this city! 1 month! In 1 month you'll wish you had me back!
The Kingpin is heading to prison. End of an era. I feel like I should celebrate. Maybe take a vacation.
Parker,